Indonesia, an archipelago consisting of over 17,000 islands, is a breathtaking destination offering a vast array of natural wonders, cultural experiences, and adventures. From pristine beaches and lush rainforests to vibrant cities and ancient temples, Indonesia has something for every traveler. In this video, we will take you on a journey through some of the most popular places to visit in Indonesia, each offering a unique and unforgettable experience. Nestled in the heart of the Indonesian archipelago, Bali stands as a tropical paradise that has captured the imaginations of travelers for decades. Known as the Island of the Gods, Bali is a place of stunning natural beauty, rich cultural traditions, and an atmosphere of pure enchantment. The magic of Bali, exploring its culture, landscapes, and the many experiences that make it a must-visit destination. Bali's beauty is unparalleled. It's a land of lush, emerald green rice terraces cascading down the hillsides, pristine beaches with crystal-clear waters, and volcanic peaks that create a dramatic backdrop. One of Bali's most iconic natural landmarks is Mount Agung, an active volcano that's considered sacred by the Balinese people. It's a challenging but rewarding hike for those seeking adventure. Bali's beaches, particularly those in the southern region like Kuta, Seminyak, and Uluwatu, are world-renowned for their beauty and excellent surf conditions. The island offers something for everyone, from the peaceful serenity of Jimbaran Beach to the lively energy of Seminyak. Ubud, located in the central part of Bali, is often considered the cultural heart of the island. This town offers a serene escape from the bustling coastal areas, with its peaceful rice paddies, art galleries, and a vibrant artisan community. The Monkey Forest Sanctuary is a popular attraction in Ubud, where visitors can observe playful macaques in their natural habitat. Balinese cuisine is a delightful fusion of flavors. A traditional Balinese meal typically includes a mix of rice, vegetables, and proteins, often accompanied by sambal, spicy chili paste, and aromatic herbs and spices. A must-try dish is nasi goreng, a flavorful Indonesian fried rice. The local food markets and warungs, small restaurants, offer a wide variety of delicious dishes, allowing you to explore the island's culinary diversity. Wellness and relaxation. Bali has established itself as a wellness haven, offering an array of yoga retreats, spas, and wellness centers. The island's serene atmosphere and stunning landscapes provide the ideal backdrop for relaxation and rejuvenation. Yoga and meditation practitioners flock to Bali to seek inner peace and spiritual growth, making it a top destination for those looking to nourish their mind, body, and soul. For the more adventurous traveler, Bali provides ample opportunities for outdoor activities. From snorkeling in the crystal-clear waters of Amd to whitewater rafting in the Ayung River, or even exploring the rice terraces by bicycle, the island is a playground for those who seek adventure. Bali has increasingly embraced sustainability and responsible tourism. Ecotourism initiatives and conservation efforts are becoming more prevalent to protect the island's natural beauty and cultural heritage. Travelers can participate in eco-friendly activities, such as beach cleanups and supporting businesses that prioritize sustainability and responsible practices. In conclusion, Bali, Indonesia, is a destination that truly lives up to its nickname, the Island of the Gods. With its breathtaking landscapes, rich culture, and countless opportunities for adventure, relaxation, and self-discovery, Bali has something to offer every traveler. Whether you seek a spiritual journey, a culinary adventure, or a blissful escape, Bali's enchanting allure will leave an indelible mark on your heart and soul. Plan your visit and prepare to be captivated by the magic of this extraordinary island. Please like, subscribe and share. A lot more to come. On behalf of D Turner Media in conjunction with Infoscape, thanks for watching.